Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Nema 17 motor is probably one of the most versatile components you'll find in the world of DIY projects and industrial automation. These compact powerhouses are the workhorses behind precise movements in 3D printers, CNC machines, and robotics. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Nema 17 stepper motors, exploring their inner workings, key specifications, and how to choose the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. Twotrees TTC 55 Pro 5.5W Laser Engraver. Introducing the TTC 55 Pro, featuring a powerful 5.5W laser. It includes a metal air-assisted nozzle and red laser shield for enhanced cutting and safety. This makes it easier to integrate an air assist system for cleaner, deeper cuts. With a super fine spot focus, this machine can engrave and cut a wide range of materials. It handles wood, leather, acrylic, and more with precision. The working area is 300 by 300 mm, perfect for various projects. Equipped with LD plus FAC plus C-lens compression technology, it delivers stronger cutting power and sharper engraving detail. You can achieve ultrafine results with up to 0.1 mm engraving accuracy. It runs on a fast dual-core 32-bit MCU, enabling engraving speeds up to 30,000 mm min. This supports both online and TF card offline engraving, plus built-in Wi-Fi for mobile app or computer web control. It's fully compatible with Laser GRBL and Lightburn software. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, you'll find intuitive controls and powerful tools to bring your ideas to life. The engraver comes with all the tools needed and detailed guides for installation. Their support team is available 24/7 for any assistance you may need. What we like. This laser engraver boasts upgraded laser power, making it perfect for both hobbyists and small businesses. It offers high-precision engraving and cutting across multiple materials. If you're looking for a machine that can handle a variety of projects with ease and precision, you should consider this one. What people say. Nice motors, good quality control, pre-made wire harnesses are nice. The steppers seem to be very accurate and I'm pleased with the smoothness of operation and the noise level produced. Number 4. Twotrees TTC 3018 Pro CNC Router. This CNC router offers precise carving with 0.1 mm accuracy. It's perfect for engraving on wood, acrylic, plastic, aluminum, and brass. It supports various collet bits for detailed work. The machine features a durable aluminum frame. Its compact design balances stability and portability, making it easy to set up and use. The weight is only 6.8 kilograms. It uses an advanced MKS DLC32 version 2.0 motherboard. This allows it to be compatible with software like ArtCam and Fusion 360. You can easily upload your designs via USB or TF card. The router provides high-speed performance with a maximum speed of 1,500 mm min. It includes 3 stepper motors for smooth and accurate XYZ axis movement. This ensures efficient operation. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a 775 brushed spindle motor and a power adapter. The product is also certified for safe operation. What we like. This CNC router machine is built for precision and durability with its robust aluminum construction. It offers high-speed performance, making it ideal for various materials. If you have a need for detailed carving and want a reliable machine, it's a great choice. What people say. This motor was a perfect replacement. So far this has been an excellent stepper motor. Funciona bien en Artillery X2. Number 3. Twotrees Nema 17 Stepper Motor for 3D Printer. This stepper motor delivers high torque, ensuring reliable and precise movements. It's designed to minimize system errors, making it ideal for demanding applications. The motor's low resistance enhances thermal conductivity. This feature helps to reduce temperature buildup, ensuring consistent performance even during extended use. This motor is suitable for a wide range of applications, including 3D printers, stage lighting, and medical equipment. Its adaptability makes it a valuable component in various automated systems. Each motor undergoes rigorous quality control and is CE certified. The product comes with a 24-month quality assurance, and support is readily available to assist you. The package includes the 38mm stepper motor and a 1-meter 4-pin cable with a connector. The motor's compact size and wiring configuration make it easy to integrate into your projects. What we like. This stepper motor offers high torque and low resistance, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from 3D printers to automation equipment. If you like a reliable and versatile motor for your projects, it's a great option. What people say. RepRap has a 17HS4023 for sale for about $20 PR motor. I bet that one can lift its full rating at its rated max current. Number 2. STEPPERONLINE Nema 17 Stepper Motor. This Nema 17 stepper motor is designed for 3D printers and CNC machines. It provides high torque, ensuring precise and reliable movements for your projects. This motor is a great choice for your needs. With a holding torque of 59 Nm, this motor can firmly hold its position. This feature is crucial for maintaining accuracy during operation. It ensures that the device stays in place. The motor features a Nema 17 frame size and a bipolar design. It has 4 wires for easy connection and control. This design is widely used in various applications. It comes with a 1-meter cable and a 0.1 pitch connector. This makes it easy to integrate into your existing setup. The cable simplifies the connection process. The motor operates at a rated current of 2.0 A and has a resistance of 1.4 ohms. This ensures efficient performance and reliable operation. This allows it to work effectively. What we like. This stepper motor provides high torque, ensuring strong and reliable performance. It comes with a convenient 1-meter cable and connector, making setup easy. If you are looking for a powerful and easy-to-use motor for your 3D printer or CNC machine, it's a solid choice. What people say. The datasheet card inside the box clearly outlines the wire color and coil assignments in a standard, easy-to-read notation that makes hooking these up to any mainboard an absolute breeze. Fit and finish on the exterior casing across both of the motors I've ordered has been consistently good. No rough edges, defects, or manufacturing residues were present. Motor shafts were clear of contamination, straight, and in good shape. The D-notch in the shaft is well cut. Thanks to the D-shaft and a little bit of thread locker, clamping on 20T GT2 pulleys tightly is easy. Number 1. STEPPERONLINE Nema 17 Stepper Motor. This is the STEPPERONLINE Nema 17 stepper motor. It's a bipolar stepper motor designed for precision and control. It's ideal for various applications, offering reliable performance. The motor boasts a holding torque of 42 Nm, ensuring it can maintain its position under load. This feature makes it suitable for tasks requiring accurate positioning and stability. It provides the power you need. With dimensions of 42 by 42 by 38 mm, this motor is compact and easy to integrate into your projects. Its size makes it suitable for applications where space is limited. It's a versatile choice. The motor has a step angle of 1.8 degrees, resulting in 200 steps per revolution. This allows for precise movements and accurate positioning. This feature enhances its overall performance. It operates with a rated current of 1.5 A per phase and a phase resistance of 2.3 ohms. This ensures efficient power consumption and reliable operation. This design is built for performance. The motor comes with a 1-meter cable and connector for easy setup. This simplifies the connection process and saves you time. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like. This stepper motor features a high holding torque, ensuring precise movements. It's a bipolar stepper motor with low noise, making it ideal for 3D printers. If you like a quiet and accurate motor for your projects, it's a great option. What people say. They really get the job done. These motors work great and perform well. Good response time, these are as good as more expensive options. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.